really fun. And you know, this game is actually an airplane. Oh, hi everybody, it's me, the real Ultraman. And today, we're going to be playing a little very fun. But it's actually not even fun. So let's play. So we're going to be playing Prepare for Impact. Yeah, Prepare for Impact. So, yeah, it's about like you are on a plane and it like crashes. Let's play. Yes, guys. I already played this game, so let's play. This is to learn to interact with the game. I'm here. Okay. Oh, the aircraft. Am I going? No, I'm leaving. Goodbye, guys. I'm leaving. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, so who is this lady?
Welcome.
Welcome. Welcome how, huh? I'm going. Hey! Not just kidding. Oh, what a luck. What's so many passengers? Oh look! Here's the pilot. I don't know who he's in. And then, hello. Can I drop here? No, you can't. I want to go there. I want to go there. And put my luggage in there. And then I should go here. I gotta reach the seat near the window. Okay. Fasten my seatbelt. In front of the window. Okay, let's play this game. Run away overboard. Let's try. Hello, ma'am. Are you going to Singapore?
Ladies and gentlemen, Captain speaking. I would like to inform you that in a few minutes we'll be landing at our destination. The weather is unfortunately bad and we may experience some very bumpy turbulence. So, fasten your seatbelts and keep them fastened. Thank you.
I don't want to fasten my seatbelts. No, I'm just gotta fasten my seatbelt. Release. Hey! Oh no. Oh! Oops. Oh, that's why.
So, fasten your seatbelts and keep them fastened. Thank you.
Done. Oh, sorry guys.
This is Captain. Brace for impact.
What?
Brace! Brace!
For what?
Race! 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 Race!
For what? Break. Oh, ah!
This is an emergency. Evacuate! Evacuate!
Fasten seatbelts immediately and evacuate using the closest exit. Leave your luggage and go to the closest exit.
Drop the exit! Fire is coming! Go to the front! Go to the front!
Come here, use this exit. Come here. Use exit on the wing. Reach the slide and jump down.
Okay.
Exit on the wing, reach the slide and jump down. Exit on the wing.
Help me. You okay? Ugh.
Happy birthday to you.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me.
Where is that? Derby that.
We were singing. I don't wanna sing in reverse. It's creepy. Oh. Oh, kidding me, got none. Let's try water landing. Whoa.
Attention please, Captain speaking. I regret to inform you that we developed a technical problem with the engine. As we look into the issue, for your safety, fasten your seatbelts immediately.
Fasten your seatbelts. Fasten your seatbelts.
I am fastening my seatbelt. Oh no. I think we're going to the sea, are we?
This is Captain. We're forced to make an emergency landing. All passengers assume the brace position.
Oh no.
Keep the brace position. Brace, brace, brace position. Brace, brace.
Oh no.
Evacuate, evacuate. Release seatbelts. Take and wear the life vest. Life vest under your seat. Inflate only when leaving the aircraft. Leave all your belongings. Evacuate using the exits closer to you.
Oh my god. Over here?
The closest exit is on the other direction. That way.
This exit seems blocked. Check the other one.
You taking your belongings?
Come this way.
Oh god, wait,
Come
wait,
this
wait,
way. Come this way.
wait. Okay.
Come this way. Come this way.
Okay.
Come this way. Go to the end. Sit down. Come this way. Go to the end. Sit down.
May I sit here? Thank you.
What's your emergency?
My wife is having contractions.
We all are.
She's pregnant.
How cute. Tell me more.
There's no time. Please help.
I'll send some help now. Hold on.
The baby is almost out.
Incorrect dispatch.
Firefighters do not.
Try again.
Firefighters like are firefighters. Firefighters are only saving cats who's stuck in tree, and also shoot waters. Can you hear? Gunshots. Address. Sending aid. Police. No, bro. Ugh. Dispatcher. I'm the dispatcher. Don't tell me that it's going to be. Ground clear. Okay, let's try this again. And there.
Ladies and gentlemen, we apologize again for the delay. It was due to the poor visibility. We have now received permission to take off. In a few moments, we will head towards the runway.
Fasten your seatbelts. We will now leave the gate.
No. It's raining outside. Oh no, oh no, it's raining over there. Be careful. Oh my
There is debris on the wings. Head to the next exit. There is debris on the wings. Head to the next exit.
Bro, what?
Leave your luggage. You are slowing down everyone.
Come here, use this exit.
Sorry.
Come here, use this exit. Come, jump and slide. Jump and slide.
We know.
Jump and slide.
We know.
Jump and slide.
Oh,
Jump.
I can jump and slide. I can. Oh my god. That is very, very serious, guys. She goes. Now we've done the ground caution. Let's crash landing. I'm there. Okay. And it's nighttime. Evening. Hey you like it really night? Bro, answer me please.
With an uncontained engine failure, wear the oxygen masks and prepare for a crash landing. This is Captain. Brace for impact.
Girl eating ice cream made of lava.
I know. That's very satisfying, bro.
Girl cutting hair made of lava.
I know.
Girl crushing gold
The one
bar.
that is very, very good. I like it. You're eating ice cream made of lava? Very, very hot. ejected takeoff fuse in the cabin. Play ejected takeoff. I know.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are waiting for our turn to use the runway. Please keep your seatbelt fastened.
What?
Okay, we have now received clearance from air traffic control and we are ready to go. Cabin crew, prepare for takeoff. Suffered a tire burst. Cabin crew, emergency evacuation.
Going on? Ejected. Come on, bro. Come on.
Leave your luggage. You are slowing down everyone.
Oh, don't kill me.
Hey, you! Don't take the luggage. Round, fast! Haven't you heard? Leave all your luggage behind. Come here. Use this exit. Come here. Use this exit. Come here. Jump and run away. Jump and run away. Jump and run away. Jump and run away. Jump and run away.
What? Yes, sir. Dun, 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 dun. Let's go.
Captain speaking. Landing gear is down. Keep your seatbelt fastened and prepare for landing.
What? Should I fly? Just me alone?
As you can see, there are fumes in the cabin due to an electrical fault. The flight attendant is manually deploying oxygen masks. Wear them immediately. Captain, please keep wearing your masks and stay calm. We are already over the runway.
Fumes are coming from the front. Exit on the wings. Exit on the wings.
Oh no! Oh! Ouch! That was hurt. Are you going to commit suicide in that? And oh no! Ugh. Now what shall I do now? Shall I do this? Fine.
This is an emergency. Evacuate! Evacuate!
Fasten seatbelts immediately and evacuate using the closest exit. Leave your luggage and go to the closest exit.
Yes, sir, I'm done with this one. But is that it? This is one.
This is an emergency. Evacuate! Evacuate!
Fasten seatbelts immediately and evacuate using the closest exit. Leave your luggage and go to the
Leave your
closest
luggage.
exit.
You are slowing down everyone.
Very, very good. Yeah, I got the one. Oh yeah. Yeah. So yeah guys, that game is actually fun. The Prepare for Impact is actually a game. It's actually very fun. Like you survive in an airplane crash. This game's a bit. It's good. I like it. It's very good. The voice is actually very, very different. Actually, there is also a game called Air Safety World. I'm going to play that game soon. So stay tuned for that, guys. Goodbye. Thank you guys for watching. Oh, and by the way, don't forget to like and subscribe, guys. And also share the video to your families or your friends or your cousins. That is the same thing, cousins or families. So okay guys, so goodbye for now, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye. Emotional damage! Emotional damage! Yeah. Cause you know guys, we already reviewed Nigel Hogg, you know his Uncle Roger. Now, we're going to review Stephen He. Yeah, let's go and see. Emotional damage. No, not off-brand. No, not her. Emotional damage. Emotion. Let's go. For now, guys.
Emotional damage. I will send you to Jesus. Emotional damage.